This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta down here in Jackson, Georgia. And today we've got a brand new 2026 Peterbilt 589 tri-axle heavy haul day cab. It's got the 20,000 pound steer axle with 425 22.5 tires on polished Alcoa wheels. This is a legendary package. Got the stainless bright finished fenders. Got our 80-gallon fuel tank on this side, our DEF tank with the polished stainless cover. It's got the headache rack with the chain hooks, jailbreak window, your light bar up top, the work lights, 20,000 pound steerable lift axle. And it's also got 425 22.5 tires on it. Back here we've got a 46,000 pound air trac rear suspension, full locking differentials, 391 gear, riding around on 11R 24.5 tires. Got your fenders on here. Got our Holland FW70 fifth wheel with a 60-inch slide. Does have a 2-line PTO wet line kit on it. This tank here is 120 gallons. You got 70 of fuel, 50 of hydraulic. We went and put additional lights in front of and behind the air cleaners. Your stainless visor, 4 roof mounted air horns. Got the new LED pod style headlights, Texas style chrome bumper with the front toe pin. It's 272-inch wheelbase, and it does have a full steel liner, and it's 131-inch hood length. It has air disc brakes all the way around. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Under the hood, we've got our 605 horsepower, 2050 torque Cummins X15 engine. Behind that's our 18-speed manual transmission. Battery jump start studs underneath the hood here. Dual steering gearboxes, removable bug screen behind the grille, inside we've got our platinum interior, air ride leather seats on both sides. The driver's seat is heated and ventilated. Got extra electrical switches in the dash, a few extra electric over air switches. Got our pull-out work tray in the dash here. CB radio mounted up top. So if you can use this, give me a call. She's ready to go. 706-372-4698.